plant some of these small ones in the ground. We're going to see if we can get them to grow again. Not really. But we're going to plant them on the ground, make them more stable, standing straight up. See what we can do. I bet we can knock Sarah over.
Hopefully not.
Not on purpose.
That's a lie.
Always by accident.
That's a lie.
Talking about me over there? She's smiling.
Pop.
Baby. I guess it's telling me something. It's telling me that's deep. That probably is. Grab this one up here for me and stick it in that hole. This one right here.
What?
Hole's not big enough. Job to make sure the hole is big enough, Sarah. This is your fault. It's on you.
I'll take the blame. tractor we got here? Mahindra?
Huh?
Isn't it a Mahindra?
A Mahindra 1626.
Mahindra 1626. Color red.
Some dirt under the edge of this, please. I'll hold that for you.
Oh, great.
Suck you, mademoiselle. Might need to put a little more in there. Yeah, under the big void right there. Just push that big pile of dirt you got right there. There you go. Give her a good push. All right, let's see what we got. It is hot today.
He's your shadow, Mom. You just didn't know that. Ralphie? Sure. Come on through.
You're going, Roscoe.
Hi, Ralph.
Flat either.
No.
They're all cut diamonds.
Yep.
That's straight.
Huh?
This one's straight.
See, what were you worried about, Mama?
Just trying to get my toes.
You worry too much.
I don't got anywhere to stand.
Easy, come on now.
Whoa.
Got it?
No. There's another bug.
We're getting so close.
Mabel is back.
What happened now?
No,
Pick
Oz.
that up or not?
This tree is attacking me. Hi, sweet girl.
You can't, that's fine, I'll get it. Okay, hold that. Just be careful, I don't know how it's gonna go.
That's what we like to hear.
You know me, graceful.
Something like that.
Frank Grayson. That was probably Greg. Greg Coffee. Frank Grayson.
Give me a second, I'm trying to take my time. Got it?
Ralphie,
What?
Ralphie just keeps walking.
he's very unbothered.
He don't
He's
care.
oblivious.
At least he's not like Oswald, which I don't know where he's at.
Oh, there somewhere.
Somebody else's
Ew.
house.
Probably. Looks like we're making a pier.
I don't know what we're making. I guess I should move.
Are they that loose, honey? They should stay.
They stayed.
You know, all we need is a good rain and that'll... a good rain. It'll be October before we see another one of those. So what are you going to name this style of woodworking?
Rustic.
All natural.
There's Oz.
Looks like my teeth in my mouth. They're wiggling. joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. They're not all wiggly. Let's see Oswald come back.
Watch my toes.
Better not tear up my Crocs.
Better not tear up my feet.
You're kind of in the way. Get out of the way, come on! Get out of the way! Get out of the way, little jump.
Excuse me, Ralph. Perfectly straight, huh? I think they're ready to go in. The gate's unlocked, so they can go upstairs. Look at lost cover.
Making that face for her.
Did you mean to push that down the stairs?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
There's a whole bunch of them down there.
Oh.
They used to be stairs. I wouldn't try to go down them things to save my life. Save anybody's life. You'd fall down them, then you'd die of poison ivy. Easy.
The last three look good.
What?
The last three look good.
See, you look at these when the party starts. They're straight. And as the party goes on, those get straight and these are leaning. You gotta have a little something for everybody. That way at the end of the night, the wall is straight all at one time. I swear.
Find another oak, Mom? Oh. We should hang some fairy lights out here. We should put them up.
Wow, I was way up there. It's a runaway tractor.
We're back.
All right, Sarah, do.
Yep.
What we gotta do is dig a little more hole here. Oh there, Baba Louie. Hey guys, welcome back. I didn't get a whole lot of our little backyard grilling patio kind of a renovation thing on camera and what you've seen. Got busy and then, well, forgot to record. So anyway, you've seen the before. Here is the after. We got our smoker set up, our little table, got our what do you call it, your local park grill. That was a cool in addition. That was neat. Got our fire pit. Yeah, that's what it looks like. It's a manhole. That's what happens when you have a buddy who is a plumber, works in big construction. Anyway, that's an update on that. I hope you enjoyed the little video about this series. And you guys have a great day. Thank you very much.